what do we have here? Got some truck parts in. We're gonna go over those in a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna reveal what's in them quite yet. And then old Jakey brought a truck over and texted me. He goes, hey, look outside. Okay, that's casual. Yeah. What's over here, dude?
Oh, you know, possibly my next purchase.
So you've been Duramax shopping. Everyone's been asking Jake, like literally pestering this man.
Everybody.
About what do you drive? Well, right now, what do you drive?
Good old 05 Volkswagen Jetta.
And it's a beast, but believe me, boys, he's still shopping. And he's got this right here. Man, look at this color.
Color is fantastic.
All right, Sam from Lime Ridge, I see you flexing, dude.
It was inspirational. I mean, look at the color. How could you not?
Damn, this thing's slick.
Dude, it's got everything that anybody could ever want in a truck.
I see you got the sunroof open, making it work, dude.
Just ceramic coated it.
Spider even found home on it. Damn, look at that color.
And it came from Florida, so the frame, perfect. Not even a speck of rust.
Well, that's an added bonus. Some Forces. They look like Tracks or Evos. Yeah. 2212s, 33 Country Hunters. Built headlights.
Yeah, they're slick.
Damn. And Morimoto fogs. We've put them on a few trucks in the past. We put them on Dream Diesel giveaway number 9, the Denali.
Oh, that color one, the sun hits.
Dude, this color is ridiculous. Black grille, I like that. Tinted windshield. What color is the inside? Black or tan? Oh, nice. Yeah. Cocoa Dune. It even smells right, man.
I think it's time.
This man texted me earlier. He goes, I'm gonna go make the mistake of driving a truck today.
And here we are.
Low Pro tonneau cover. You don't see this color often.
What do you guys think? Should I get it?
You know everyone's gonna say yes.
Yes.
I don't think there's gonna be not a single person. You just set yourself up, dude.
I'm gonna like make a bunch of fake accounts and just yes.
I don't think anybody would ever comment and say no.
I know.
We all have a soft spot for this color, Denali. You don't ever see this color. In 2017, they changed it for the L5P to an actual red, kind of like the Ford that we built, the 2017 Ford. Yeah. I don't even know what this color is called. Crimson Red Tri-Coat. Is that what it is?
Yep, that's it.
Crimson Red Tri-Coat. It's quite the color. I don't know, man. What are you thinking?
I think you all know what I'm thinking.
Who else has experienced similar thoughts? Oh, I know that feeling. I know that feeling all too well.
Should I do it? No, probably not. But am I going to? Yes.
YOLO, but reality, but YOLO.
Yeah, YOLO.
The you only live once excuse. Yeah. Helps to justify things quickly. Look at this man. Oh my God. I don't want to say anything, but I kind of feel like I rubbed off on him a little bit. Dang, boys, we are double Denali deep right now, and it feels damn good. I'm not even gonna lie. I like where this man's head at is right now. Oh my God, look at that, triple Denali deep. This is too much for the vlog to handle. Damn, boys, it's damn near Denali Nation on the vlog right now. We got another one, a 2011 to 2014 first-gen LML. Jake's potential buy right here. And then we've got, oh my God, we got another same color kind of Dodge over there. Damn, this is insane. I don't think this could be planned if we tried. This is also a super nice truck. I haven't seen this one on the lot. It must be relatively new. I have always had a thing for this body style, and I've been meaning to get one for the longest time. It's just that one like this hasn't popped up. Honestly, if we didn't have the 5th gen right now, which I'm super excited about, we're going to be getting into content on later in today's video, I would have maybe bought this style LML because I've always wanted to build one. Maybe one day in the future. Wait, what? And then we have these two maroon trucks too. This is unbelievable, dude. Yeah. I know what color's your favorite, Sam.
I know, it's unreal.
Oh my goodness. And then you've got that one over there. Yeah. It's like, damn, dude. And there's a secret surprise under the hood, I'm told. Oh yeah, sure as hell is. Hello there. What's up, atmospheric turbo? I'd hate to look past you. 10 mil pump. This thing's not gonna last long. Not in that color. Oh, there's a truck there. All whirly, custom fab, everything. This guy's got good taste, man. Oh man, after about 2 years of pestering the guys over at Lime Ridge almost every single day, and I finally have myself an official article of merchandise. Oh man, it feels good to actually be part of the family now. But all jokes aside, a very special package, or should I say 4 packages, just arrived. All right, we'll make room. Hey, I stole a hat.
Nice.
I'm legit, dude.
Yeah, let's go.
I know. 2 years later, I finally got an official piece of merchandise here. Damn, look at that color.
That color is gonna be crazy.
That'll look good going in. All right, now we're finally headed up to the shop. I didn't show you guys much back there, but we'll get into that here in just a minute. And then we will be continuing the teardown of the 5th gen because, man, we gotta get some of these suspension parts to powder coat. But long story short, if I seem at all a few energy levels down in the next few videos, it's because my little baby boy, Jack the 4th, is here. And yeah, he likes to party at night. That's pretty much all I'm gonna say. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the shop and welcome back to a gorgeous sight of Dream Green Diesel giveaway number 11. If you guys haven't gotten your entries yet, well, I genuinely have to ask you a super sincere, very, very, very concerning question. What is it that you guys are thinking? One of you is going to be taking a 2020 High Country Duramax home, 10-speed Allison transmission, L5P, 2,000 miles on it with $10,000 cash on top. And right now, if you guys missed 10 times entries, don't stress too much because we have a 5 times multiplier right now, which will also be going away. So if you guys want to grab some entries, now's your chance. But in the meantime, I'm going to take that truck out, bring my Denali in, change over Jack's car seat into that truck because I haven't actually had the chance to enjoy it, drive it, and just experience literally all the necks that snap as we drive this thing with the copper wheels down the road because it's not been that nice outside and I haven't really wanted to get it dirty since we got it fully paint corrected and ceramic coated, but I need to enjoy it while I have it. It's time to splurge. So yes, new wheels have arrived for the 5th gen, but I'm not going to reveal which wheels are behind these boxes right here. They are some fuel forged. That's all I'm going to give away. And then those other boxes that arrived are actually more parts for the 5th gen. Small spoiler alert, as you guys know, we're working with Miles, the owner of Flight Fabrications, on our 5th gen project. He has some incredible, I'm talking like full-blown artist fabrication product right in those boxes, fully powder coated, ready to rock and roll. But what we're getting into in today's video is the teardown of the front and the rear suspension because we are making changes before wheels and all that good stuff can go on. Yes, this truck, just like our 2020 High Country, is getting a lot of powder coating treatment. It's gonna look fantastic. We chose literally an incredible color and it's going to look amazing with the black. Believe me when I tell you, I cannot wait to show you guys kind of what's in mind. You can recall, I was actually really torn on what direction I wanted to go when we first got this thing, but by the end of talking about that on that video, I'd had a very clear concept in mind. And guys, it's starting to come together. Now, not only do we have suspension stuff, but you might be asking yourself, well, where did all of the front end, the back end, the grill, and all that stuff go? Because it's no longer in our little storage corner here. Well, that's all down at Peach Bottom Auto Body right now. Over the last like 60 hours, I was actually cooped up with my wife and my son, Jack, in the hospital. Labor and delivery went fantastic. Everybody is happy and healthy as I had mentioned, but I wasn't able to get down to Sean's. Fortunately, he understands, and well, our main man Jake over here was able to drop that stuff off down there so Sean can get his chrome delete process started. We will be paint matching the back bumper. We're doing something special with the 5th gen tail lights. We're going to be deleting all the chrome off the front bumper, and we are going to be messing around with some chrome, I'm going to call it removal, off of the grill and associated parts. Now, one other thing that we're going to have to get caught up on, and this might be another video, is actually opening up our 5th gen headlights. These babies are not staying stock, being that we now have in-house capability of building our own headlights. So we got a lot of work to get done. I'm not gonna waste my breath anymore. Right now, we need to just kind of focus on one thing, and that's getting to work. And peep the random case of Monster that showed up at my front door. The address was completely wrong, but it wasn't an address that existed in my neighborhood, so it was kind of a nice present. It's almost like the big man above knew that I would need a little bit of extra energy over the next month.
Little update. Bet y'all weren't expecting to see me. So Ozzy had to get some dental surgery, so he's gonna go pick him up. He'll be right back. But for now, we're gonna work on getting these coils out. As soon as I lift up, they should just pop right out. So yeah, let's give her a go.
Well, 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 well. What could we have that was in there? Yep, sorry guys. We did check on all of our fantastic flight fab.
That's a mouthful. Flight flap.
Did I say flab?
I think so.
Caleb, replay that. On all of our fantastic flight fab goodies, as I was about to say, Jake. This man is like, yo, if you don't get your sentence right the first time, then I'm gonna make fun of you, but then there's this clip.
I'm a giant brain. I'm a giant brain.
I'm a jam for brain. So slow it down there, Haas. But yes, we do have all of our flight fab stuff inventoried and accounted for. It's under all of that quilting right there. But you guys can't see it quite yet. But what you can see is our great friends over at Boost Auto Parts actually surprised us with one new product. They now have tow mirror lights that are switchback for the OEM and aftermarket 4th and 5th gen tow mirrors, which is really cool. These were completely unexpected and showed up at my front door this afternoon, so I wanted to give them a huge shout out. They sent us, because they know my taste, my style, and what we enjoy so much on this channel, some smoked switchback strip LED turn signals for our 5th gen Cummins. Guys, thank you so much. I'm going to link Boost Auto Parts below, and you guys need to go check out these lights because they make some really, really good stuff, not only for the Dodge product, but also for our friends on the GM side. These are really nice lights. Man, look at that quality. Plug and play. It's gonna look fantastic, and they're actually gonna function, which is even better. I love people.
Sound about as educated as me right now.
Like I was trying to say before this guy that goes by my friend interrupted me. I absolutely love people that run companies like Boost Auto Parts because, you know, they're tinkerers and they say and look at a platform and go, you know what, it'd be really nice if, and then they figure it out. This is a prime example. So go check out Boost Auto Parts, Instagram, at Boost Auto Parts, Facebook at Boost Auto Parts as well. US made and tried and true enthusiast. So what we have under there is the 4-link for our flight fab componentry, but we are not ready to install any of that stuff yet because we actually want to kind of spiffin up the rear axle and front axle on this truck, as well as not leave them free floating or suspended. We want to have the privilege of switching out these 4 links on the back, kind of one at a time, so that way the axle doesn't suspend itself and we don't have to disconnect the drive shafts or anything like that. Kind of same thing goes up in the front. For whatever reason, I guess these axles from Ram really don't withstand like weathering. This truck's a 2019 5th gen, limited as you guys know, fully loaded from top to bottom, but it is already starting to show some signs of age on the axle. We're going to correct that. We're going to get it cleaned up as well. Part of one of the benefits of having a trench drain right where our lift is, if we want to get something cleaned up in preparation for like kind of small resto, if you will, then we can do that. We are going to clean up on the axles. Another question that I have for my 5th gen experts out in the audience, diff covers. Are there any diff covers that are manufactured for the front and rear differentials on these trucks yet? I could simply answer my own question by doing a Google search, but I'd like to ask you guys questions because I know that there are a lot of people out in the audience that have far more experience than me. As you guys know, as I've harped on in the past, I am by no means an expert. I am just a tinkerer that loves to get into new projects, and part of tinkering on new projects is kind of that research and investigation component, and that's where I like to ask you guys kind of what you know so we can pass it along. So I'm thinking we're going to do aftermarket differential covers on this truck, but I'm not quite sure if there's any out. So if there's not, then I guess not, but if there is, drop a comment below. So at this point in the vlog, ladies and gentlemen, we have made an absolute mess. We got to get that cleaned up. We're done with the high country for tonight.
What?
That's where my mind's at right now because I'm looking at the high country because, guys, yes, I'm finally taking it home. But one caveat, I actually need to put my son's car seat in that truck now because, well, you know, if I leave it here, then I'll probably definitely need it. That's usually how it works. Although we have extras, it's good to be prepared. And we've got some stuff unloaded. That's going to be going in the powder coat. That's actually not all of this stuff. There's actually some more stuff on here that I'm doing some research on to see if I can get powder coated. So long story short, that's that. And then, of course, we've got our fuel forged wheels, which... Do I do it?
Maybe a little bit. Okay, that's easy.
Okay. I'm gonna get powder coated here literally as well. So they're gonna get loaded up and you guys are gonna see the finished result there. Mind you, this is my second ever set of fuel forged wheels. If you guys can recall way back in the day, my OGs, when I started my YouTube channel, I had a set of 22x12 fuel forged FF12s on the OG LML, and they were fantastic wheels. I love these, they look awesome, and well, they're gonna be hitting this thing soon, and I can't wait. So let's get to work, boys. All right, guys, new day because I ended up having to run home just to help my wife get the little man down. I didn't want to miss his first bath, and she's like, hey, we're about to wash him up because he's got to get to bed, putting in the hours at the shop, but it's all good. Guys, I just feel so grateful that I have a little boy in my life. You have no idea. Like, it's pretty much just something that's inexplicable until you have one of your own. So believe me, if you want to start a family one day, it is like the biggest blessing and the coolest feeling. So that being said, that's where we're going to wrap up this video. My Likely God, I love you guys. Do what you do best. Tap that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're almost at 230,000 subscribers. That is just absolutely mind-boggling. And grab some entries for Dream Diesel giveaway number 11 if you haven't already. That being said, I'll see y'all in the next upload.